Hey everyone, welcome to Home with Kelly P. So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning and finishing decorating my kitchen for Christmas. And this is all part of a Clean and Decorate A-Room Hop hosted by Nicole from Nicole Northgarden Home. And I will explain how the hop works a little bit later in the video. But for now, let's get cleaning and finishing decorating my kitchen for Christmas.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
So if you are new to my channel or you're hopping on over from another lady's channel, hello and welcome. My name is Kelly and I'm so excited to have you here. Feel free to browse around my channel, check out some of my other videos and subscribe and join my growing YouTube family here. And don't forget to come follow me over on Instagram. I will leave my channel name right here on the screen. Come on over and say hi. I would love to get to know you over there.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by.
So if you have visited my channel before, or any of the other ladies involved in this hop, you might have a little bit of an understanding of how it works. But for those of you that are new to my channel, how the hop works is I will leave a link to a video in the hop that's next in the hop. So what you do is you watch my video and then you click on that link and it takes you to the next lady's video. And she will be doing a different room in her house, cleaning and decorating for Christmas. So all of us involved in the hop are doing a different room. There might be a few rooms that are overlap, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean and decorate a specific room, and then you hop to the next video in the description box and you get another room that for inspiration on cleaning and decorating for Christmas. So I want to thank Nicole for hosting us once again. I think this is about our third or fourth time doing this type of hop, and we all love doing it. And I really hope that you enjoy it as well. But don't click to the next video until you finish watching mine.
But the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in
So I wanted to share this little stainless steel cleaning hack that I saw on another YouTuber's channel a while ago, and it was so interesting I had to give it a try. And after cleaning your stainless steel, try using some Johnson's baby oil, some baby oil, to wipe down your appliances. And not only does your room smell amazing afterwards, but it really does shine it up, and it helps to keep the fingerprints at bay. So yeah, I thought I would just share that funny little cleaning hack. Let me know in the comments below if you give it a try and what you thought of it. So here's a quick view of my finished kitchen, and you will notice some changes since I did film it. And one of the big changes that you probably are noticing here is I ended up taking off the snow. It just wasn't working on here. But I do love the houses and the Christmas tree and the little balls on this. And this little vase just sits in the corner of my kitchen. This picture here, I did a DIY of this not too long ago, and I will leave a link to that in the cards above if you're interested in checking out how I made that. And up here is just a little believe sign. It's just a little Christmas tree ornament that I found at Michael's, and I thought it was just going to look really cute here on my wine rack. And here's a look at my coffee station. Not much has changed here since I shared how I decorated this in a previous video, but I did add in those poinsettias on the wall there to cover up some command hooks. Those command hooks I use to hang different types of garland and things for different seasons. So I just thought it would be cute to just hang some poinsettias up there to kind of tie in all the red. And I really did like the way this ended up looking. And of course I have filled up that that cookie jar with some more gingerbread cookies. They are so good. And my little nutcracker spoon rest sits on my stovetop. And then my Santa hot plate, and I did add this clear crystal-y looking snowflake onto my utensil canister here just to give it a little bit of sparkle as well. I love these tea towels that I picked up from HomeSense a while ago. They're just so pretty. And this one over here came in a 2-pack, and it was from Bed Bath & Beyond, I think. And here's the other side of my kitchen with my cutting board that I just added the red bow to. And I did end up adding this gold reindeer here, and that just sits near my my knife holder. And again, I have the poinsettias on the wall hiding some command hooks. And I love the way this turned out. After I started decorating the rest of the house, you know, you get out the rest of your Christmas decorations and you find things that you meant to use. And that's what happened with this little reindeer here in the gold. I'd forgotten about him, so I was happy to find him and put him here on the counter. Now over on this side of the room, this is, yes, we do keep Gussie's food up on the counter and his dog treats. So you saw me add in the red and the gold tree. And then I just added in a little green jingle bell. And again, I put one of those crystally snowflakes on his food. And also on his canister, I put a another crystal snowflake as well as a pine cone.
Just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So above my kitchen window, all I did was take down my kitchen sign and I hung up this Believe sign, which I made from an artist easel. I just painted it black and then wrote the word Believe in a white chalk paint marker and dotted the eye with a little snowflake. And for this little hanging basket, which I love, I wasn't sure what to do with it, but I had these white poinsettias, and once I hung the red ones up on the wall, I thought these would be a pretty addition to this little gold planter and tie in nicely with the black and white sign. And on my kitchen table, I have my beloved new deer tray. I just love this. I've had so much fun with it so far, and I've only had it a few weeks and decorated it for Christmas, but I love it. And I just made a few little changes here and there, such as adding in the white poinsettia. I thought it would be a good idea to add that in there to tie in all the poinsettias that I've added into the room. I changed the candy canes from the back to the front of this, and then on the back side I added a different another little ornament that I've had for many years, and it's just these cinnamon sticks tied with a red bow and the pine cone. I just put those up top and I think it added a really nice touch. And into my corner in my floral, I added those candy canes. I forgot I had those, and I usually put them outside in my basket on my front step, but I did something a little different out there this year. So I had these candy canes, and I think they look perfect in this container. They actually finished it off perfectly. So boy, was I happy to find that, and I love the way they look. I think I got those from Michael's years ago, and I'm loving the dark green, hunter green ribbon with my gold bow. The hunter green is new this year, but the gold bow I have had in the past, and same with all these florals as well, and they're all from Michael's. And here's an overview of my table. I love the way it looks with my new table runner that looks like a sweater. It just makes it feel so cozy, so warm and cozy. It's like a sweater on the table and in the room. I just love the way this has all come together with the whites, the creams and the greens and the touches of red. Everything I think just screams coziness. And that's really what I want my house to feel when people come in, is that they can kick their shoes off and come in and feel comfortable and just enjoy themselves. I just love the way everything has turned out this year. So thanks so much for sticking around, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and it gave you a little bit of inspiration on how you can incorporate some Christmas decor into your kitchen. I really love the way it turned out, and I guess 2020 is that kind of year where anything goes, because I have really switched up my Christmas decor this year, and it's kind of nice to give old items a new spot and a new life to them. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you again to Nicole for getting us together one more time for this hop. This will be the last one for this year, and don't forget to check out her channel as well as her video I will leave the links in the description box below. And now you can go click on the other link in my description box and hop on over to the next lady and see what room she is cleaning and decorating for Christmas. But until next time, guys, until I talk to you in my next video, I hope you have a great week. Bye.